Never replace a home button on iPhone 5s and above unless it's something like this or you really need it. To change the home button on iPhone 6 is quite easy. Just remove the old one and put a new one, but it loses the finger scanning features. Not just the finger scanning, if we have to do a reset from a computer, it's gone. It'll give an error code 53 and it will be completely unusable. And never change a home button on iPhone 5s and above. In this phone's case, the customer has been told all the complications it will have once the home button is changed, and he agreed to change it, so I'm changing it. It's quite easy. Just remove the screen, the everything. This one has a cracked screen as well, so we'll be replacing a screen on it. The new home button, it's a copy one, it's not a genuine one. Even if we put the genuine one, it's not gonna work as it's supposed to work, because one iPhone has one home button. The home button is synchronized to the motherboard, so even if we put an original one, it's not gonna work. So it's quite bad for the repair shops. I don't know why Apple's doing this, and now they've stopped the home button completely. Like from iPhone X, they don't have any home buttons at all. Well, they have their reasons, we have our reasons. We can't argue with that. The worst part is, if we change the home button on iPhone 7 and 8, it will not work. Well, if they don't want others to repair their phones, why don't they just make it indestructible? Nobody has to fix it. There's so many places in the world where Apple stores are not present. What will they do if they can't repair the phone? Think, Apple, think. Yeah, this is a big headache. Even if you put original one, it's not gonna work. Even if we put an original one from a different iPhone, it will lose the finger scanning features. So yeah, as I said, one iPhone has one home button. Only Apple can do that. Only Apple can fix it. Unless we have a big place where we can reprogram the home button to work with the motherboard that we're working with, which will cost millions and millions, and it's useless. Well, on this phone it's working, just the finger scan isn't working, so yeah, it's okay. He wanted it to do that. So the end of the story, never change the home button on iPhone 5s and above unless it's compulsory. Instead use assistive touch to do its work. Now I can put everything back in. Just clipping it is quite easy. Clip, 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 and it's good to go. Then I can put the screws back in. Well, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope it helps somebody. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe it, and never ever change the home button on iPhone 5s and above. Never. Thank you very much.